Hi, this is Jenna with Keyless Entry Remote. I am here to show you how to replace a key fob battery. The key fob I'm showing you today is compatible with a 2008 to a 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The part number, which is located on the back, reads 56046733AD. To open the key fob, first take out the key, and then all you need is a screwdriver. I find the easiest way is to go from the left side with the Jeep words facing you and just kind of stick the screwdriver in there and get it to pop open. Then underneath here is where the battery is located. You just take it out, and the battery for this key fob is CR2032. To replace the battery, make sure that the side with the number is face down as directed on the key fob, and then just snap this part back together and then replace the key. If you need to order a replacement battery or an actual key fob remote, visit us online at keylessentryremotefob.com or call us at 402-671-5100.